So guys, this is Gigabyte website. Okay, so you have to come first gigabyte.com. You can see www.gigabyte.com, and this is right hand side search key, and then you type your model number H810M S2H, then hit enter. Then click to product. You can see here H81M S2 and click. Click to support. You can see here first you can select your operating system which is you using. I am using Windows 11. If you are using Windows 10, so no worry, installations process same. You can follow this video and then you can install the driver. Okay, LAN driver, and click to download. Then click and just double click. Yes, you can see here the LAN driver is downloading. And then it is done, and close it.